Now in this example, we're actually going to link between two separate workbooks. Now I've got this workbook here with my data, but I've also opened up another copy of Excel which currently is blank. So let me go back to the original. Now what I do is I simply go and select the data I want to link, like so, and I can press Control C or click here, same difference. So this information is now being copied to the clipboard. If I go to the second worksheet, if I click, say here, if I just press something like Control V, that would paste the information in, but it wouldn't be linked. So if I want to link data from the first workbook to the second workbook, instead of just simply pressing Control V or clicking on Post, what I do is I click on the down arrow underneath here, and as you can see there's lots and lots of different options. If I go to this one here where it says Paste Link and click on that, that has now pasted the information in, but it's linked. And what that means is, as you can see, the data, for instance, for the West region for 2019 is currently at 88. Let me go back to the original workbook and I guess go and change this. So we'll change it to, say, 300 and just confirm that. If I go to the other workbook, notice instead of the original 88 or whatever it was, it's now been updated to, say, 300. So as you can see, the two are dynamically linked. And the good thing is that, let's say I saved this particular workbook, closed it down, and kept on making changes to the original. When I reopened this workbook, it would automatically update to reflect the updated data in the original workbook. So that's how you link data between two separate workbooks.